We've made a strong start to fiscal year 20, and we're confident that the investments that we've been making to position the business for the digital transformation opportunity are bearing fruit. Our first half performance was on track with net revenue at $76 million, up 3% on the prior year, and profit at $5.4 million, coming in slightly ahead of expectations. This is despite some initial headwinds in the UK market, which have now resolved, and some continued challenges in our communications business, which we are working to stabilize. This gives us renewed confidence about our full year expectations. We have yet to experience any impacts from COVID-19, but we continue to assess those risks. What's really driving this confidence is the shift we've made into strategic areas, underpinned by our innovation pillar, which is now going to market as Kin + Carta Create, and this area of our business now comprises over 60% of our net revenue. We've also continued to focus on expanding our US business. In November, we acquired Spire Digital, an international digital transformation business based in Denver, Colorado, and it is successfully integrating into our business and trading well. The US is now over 50% of our net revenue. We've continued to win major digital transformation projects from blue chip clients like Royal Bank of Scotland, Shell Energy, and a global quick serve business, helping them implement cutting-edge technologies to improve their business. The new business momentum that we saw towards the end of the first half is continuing into the second. In our three pillars, we've restructured the strategy pillar, now going to market as Kin + Carta Advise, and are pleased that we're now seeing modest growth in that business. Kin + Carta Create is continuing to grow on both sides of the Atlantic, and our communications pillar, which we are now going to market as Kin + Carta Connect, has taken longer to turn around than we anticipated, but it remains profitable, and we are taking actions to ensure that it's stabilized in the second half. We're on track to meet expectations for the year, and we're optimistic about the future. In summary, we're delighted by the progress we've made in the first half in a relatively difficult market environment, and we're on track to meet fiscal year expectations. There is some significant risk in COVID-19. Although we haven't seen an impact to our business to date, we are watching this closely to safeguard the well-being of our employees and determine the risk that this poses to our markets. Overall, we're cautiously optimistic of a stronger second half.